Scientists have developed a revolutionary computer powered by living human brain cells, which learns faster than any AI chip currently available. Unlike traditional computers, this system does not rely solely on silicon-based hardware. Instead, it integrates biological neurons with conventional components to create what is known as synthetic biological intelligence (SBI). This groundbreaking technology has been officially launched and is even available for purchase. The concept of biological computing. The idea of biological computing might sound like science fiction, but it is now a reality. The new computer, called CL1, was unveiled by Cortical Labs at an event in Barcelona on March 2, 2025. This innovation promises to revolutionize fields such as drug discovery, disease modeling, robotics, and automation systems. At its core, the CL1 uses neurons grown in a laboratory from induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs. These neurons are integrated with a silicon chip that contains 59 electrodes arranged in a grid, providing a controlled environment for the neurons to grow and form connections. This setup, referred to as a body in a box, includes a life support system consisting of filtration pumps, temperature control, and gas mixing to maintain optimal conditions for the cells. How it works. The CL1 system is designed to interact with the neurons in real time using software that reads and writes signals to them. Since neurons naturally respond to predictable signals in an energy-efficient manner, the system employs a reward and punishment mechanism to enhance learning. If the neurons respond correctly to a given stimulus, they receive a predictable signal. If they fail, they receive a chaotic one. This process enables the neurons to adapt and learn over time. A previous version of this technology, known as Dish Brain, demonstrated its capabilities by teaching neurons to play the classic arcade game Pong. Researchers sent electrical signals indicating the paddle's position, and the neurons learned to control it. If the virtual ball was missed, they received a random signal, which they disliked, leading them to improve their performance. The CL1 builds upon this earlier success with improved stability, energy efficiency, and programming ease. It features planar electrode arrays made of glass and metal, reducing the buildup of electrical charge and making the system more reliable. Additionally, Cortical Labs has introduced the concept of the minimal viable brain, determining the optimal types and numbers of cells needed for effective learning and adaptation, energy efficiency, and cost. One of the major advantages of the CL1 is its remarkable energy efficiency. A full rack containing 30 units consumes only 850 to 1000 watts, comparable to a small microwave. A single CL1 box is priced at approximately $35,000 and operates independently without the need for an external computer. Researchers can interact with it via a touchscreen interface to monitor data and conduct experiments. Cortical Labs aims to have 4 full racks of CL1 units available by the end of 2025. They are introducing a wetware as a service model, allowing researchers to rent computing time on these biological systems through the cloud rather than purchasing the hardware themselves. Applications. The CL1 system has potential applications across various fields, particularly in medicine and artificial intelligence, drug discovery, and disease modeling. Traditional methods for studying neurological diseases like epilepsy and Alzheimer's rely on animal models or two-dimensional cell cultures, which often fail to replicate the complexity of living neural networks. The CL1 provides a more dynamic alternative, potentially reducing the reliance on animal testing and accelerating drug discovery. Since neurons can be grown from an individual's own cells, this technology also enables personalized medicine. Researchers can test how a patient's neurons respond to specific treatments, allowing for tailored therapeutic approaches.
Robotics and AI. The integration of biological neural networks into robotics could lead to more human-like learning processes. Unlike conventional AI, which depends on vast amounts of pre-programmed data, a robot powered by a CL1 unit could learn and adapt in a more flexible, energy-efficient manner, similar to the human brain. Energy efficiency and AI advancements. Compared to traditional AI models, which require massive computing power, SBI technology is significantly more efficient. Large language models, such as ChatGPT, depend on arrays of GPUs and specialized silicon chips, consuming vast amounts of energy. In contrast, biological neurons operate on a fraction of that power, similar to the human brain, which requires only around 20 watts to function. A single CL1 rack consumes less than 1 kilowatt of energy, making it an attractive alternative to power-hungry AI systems. While defining equivalence between biological and machine intelligence remains complex, the potential for energy savings and improved learning capabilities is undeniable. Ethical considerations. A critical question surrounding this technology is whether the system is conscious or capable of feeling. According to Cortical Labs, the CL1 is not self-aware. Instead, it functions as a specialized computing substrate in a controlled environment, leveraging neurons for their computational abilities without forming a full, conscious brain. Despite this assurance, ethical concerns remain, particularly regarding the use of human brain cells. Cortical Labs has stated that they are adhering to regulations from health agencies, bioethics committees, and government organizations. They acknowledge the ongoing debate, but emphasize that their system consists of partial neural networks optimized for learning rather than conscious thought. Technical capabilities. For researchers and developers, the CL1 offers extensive programmability. It features bidirectional stimulation and a read interface, allowing users to send and receive signals in real time. Additionally, a Python API enables seamless integration with existing applications, making it an invaluable tool for studying learning, memory, and neurological diseases. Cortical Labs has been developing this technology for nearly 6 years, led by CEO Dr. Han Wang Chong and Chief Scientific Officer Dr. Brett Kagan. Their pioneering work in integrating biology with silicon began with the Pong-playing dish-brain experiment.
We have a pathway to invalidate Moravec's paradox by combining the strengths of both biological systems and silicon through hybridization. One way we like to think about this is that if Neuralink is to try to put a chip into a brain, why not go the other way and put the brain onto the chip?
Now, with manufacturing capabilities, cloud-based access, and a clear roadmap, they are poised to make biological computing widely accessible. The future of synthetic biological intelligence. The CL1 marks a potential turning point in AI and computing. Synthetic biological intelligence could enable machines to learn and adapt in a more natural manner, bridging the gap between artificial and biological cognition. While large language models have transformed AI interactions, integrating human neurons into the equation could unlock unprecedented possibilities. This technology is no longer a concept, it is happening now. As researchers and innovators explore its capabilities, the implications for medicine, AI, and beyond could be profound.
Well, the only true generalized intelligence that we know of is you and I, or even our dog or our cat. What's the commonality between all of these things? And that's biology, right? They all have a central nervous system, a brain made up of neurons, and we said, why don't we use the same substrate, the same material that gives us all intelligence, to try to tackle this question of artificial generalized intelligence using an alternative pathway? And so we are building artificial generalized intelligence using synthetic biology.
Whether this advancement is exciting or unsettling remains a matter of perspective, but one thing is certain: the future of computing has taken a biological turn. Expanding the potential of SBI beyond its current applications, SBI could play a role in neuromorphic engineering, where artificial systems mimic the brain's structure and function. This could lead to advances in self-healing circuits, organic computing, and even prosthetics that seamlessly integrate with the nervous system. By understanding how biological neurons compute, engineers might develop more adaptive and efficient AI architectures that reshape the future of machine learning. The road ahead for SBI technology. As SBI technology continues to evolve, researchers face challenges in scaling and maintaining these biological systems. Sustaining living neurons outside the human body for extended periods requires advanced bioengineering techniques. Additionally, regulatory and ethical frameworks must keep pace with rapid advancements to ensure responsible development and deployment of these systems in real-world applications. Conclusion: the CL1 and SBI technology represent a bold step toward the fusion of biology and computing. As this field progresses, it could redefine our approach to AI, medicine, and robotics. Whether viewed as an extraordinary breakthrough or an ethical dilemma, one thing is clear: the integration of living neurons with computing is set to reshape the technological landscape in ways we are only beginning to understand. Visit judifmarketing.com for more information. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like, consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments how you'd use an AI agent in your business or personal life. Thanks for reading, and I'll catch you in the next one.